just left here today. We're making all our dreams come true. Why don't you come along with me? Cause I love spending time with you, with you, with you. Spending time with you. Buenos dias. Happy lunes. Feliz lunes. It's rainy, guys. It's dark and cold and rainy. No. I let my hair down in the back. I feel like it gave me a whole new look. I feel so pretty. Oh my god. I'm driving to the office. We're supposed to have salmon today. We don't know what time. So, it was supposed to be 9. Then it was supposed to be 4. Now it might be 11. So I'm just gonna drive to the office and let them figure out what time the ceremony is supposed to be. That's pretty much all I have going on today. Today is like I'll just go to the office and see what you gotta do type of day. Because a work area ahead. Okay. Alright. Don't knock the cones over. Like those people did. Yeah. Guys, I am very surprised and impressed with how quickly the cherry trees like blossom. Like it's so quick. Like last week, this week, boom, trees all over. So I feel like by the time this weekend comes, because I saw all the cherry blossom events and I'm like, but they aren't even up yet. Like how could you have, like, it's not gonna be up by Saturday. Wrong. They know their timing. They're very much Fairmont Park, the trees are like almost ready. It's impressive. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the cherry blossoms. I love the cherry blossoms. I'm gonna combust thinking about the cherry blossoms. So exciting. But that's what I'm looking forward to. Spring is near. I'm a spring baby, okay? I'm a Taurus, earthy baby, spring baby. Like, this is my time. This is my time to come alive. This is my time to blossom. I'm gonna be floating on a rainbow for the next 3 to 4 months. I'm ready. I'm so ready. But yeah, we're going to the office. I am hungry and I would like some warm tea in my system. I tried making food at home yesterday because I have been eating out entirely too much. And I need to figure out what I'm doing with my hair exactly, because it's a bunch of different colors. It's a bunch of different colors. So I don't want to dye it again. Not permanently, at least. I could probably play with like temporary dyes. Maybe we could go purple. Oh, imagine me with purple hair. Like, oh my god. That would send me. But yeah, I'm gonna drive and shut up. Bye. Yes, I actually have a date at Jours. So let's go to that.
Place.
This is Larry's balloon from his open house. And we got some matcha filling. I'm not hungry, but I'll try it later and let you know how it is. To come back, I have the world's longest day today. So mine was supposed to be 9 o'clock this morning. Then it became 4 o'clock. Then it became 11 o'clock. Now it's 6 p.m. As in when the office is closed. As in after hours. So I am a matcha. So I don't hate everyone. And I'm like, I am a matcha today. And titties keep popping out, but we'll be alright. But yeah, I'm dressed as a matcha. I'm cosplaying matcha today. Guys, I called the gas company this morning. They finally called me back. It's it's 4:30. Just to tell me that I have to speak to a different department. And then they gave me another number that they didn't answer. So that was frustrating. I'm gonna go journal and talk about how I hate everyone in my journal. Because it's just today, and I'm ready to go home. Like, I'm ready to go home. Like yesterday. I forgot my matcha. My best friend. I had the world's longest day. I don't want to hear another word. I'm gonna drive home. I'm gonna cold shower today, and then I'm gonna go sleep. Straight to bed. Morning. Here we are. Gonna drop off commissions at the corporate office.
All the way at the fourth floor.
Hi, good. Yeah, come. We just started. Come. Hi. Okay, wait till we're in here. Yes, nice and spacious. See this perfect day. Just go sit, look at the river. Oh wow!
Nice space too. This is a king size bed.
It doesn't even feel like it. Like it's so spacious. Hi.
It's not too loud.
That's you. Hello. So no, that's just the guest room. That's just the guest room. That's crazy. Alright, do you want to put an offer? This is crazy. Oh, you have a messy closet?
It's not messy, but it's just not like that. These are
I love this.
It's another floor.
It doesn't even feel overwhelming. You know when they have too many stairs? It doesn't feel like that.
You definitely get your steps in.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's very nice for a house elevator.
See, for a girl that's afraid of heights, I'm okay. I just do not have my little dog.
I'm trying the elevator. I called it. This is crazy. It's taking a while for it's coming. Okay, so we're trying. Guys, that was so beautiful. Like, that just literally. Oh, the road is so ghetto. Hold on. guys. Sometimes God just like sparkles on your life, and it wasn't like life changing. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, or I don't know where anything's gonna go, but it was just nice to have a pause. The house was beautiful. The river views are mwah, right? I connected with some ladies. Some people I already knew. I'm like, I see you. And then I connected with some new people that I've heard of but never met in real life. And like, oh, face the name. And like, we're all connected in all these little funny, crazy ways. I'm like, it just feels so good to talk to people. And one of the ladies, she's like me, like 20 years in the future to some extent. And it's like, I just got so encouraged. I got inspired. I feel encouraged. I feel supported, even though like I just met these people. I feel like the collective support. Life is good. God is good. I'm great. I don't know. I love when I meet other positive people and our energies just like a wish and wash into each other. And it's like, yes, good people exist. People who get it exist. People who want the same things that you want exist. Collaboration over competition. I don't know. I just feel inspired and really excited, really grateful. And we're coming to my favorite place. My favorite places are starting to switch ranks. This is the landing kitchen. Guys, do we have parking over here? And no. There's a spot right here in the sun. There's one over there, which is also in the sun. It's like, how much sun do you want? I'm contemplating coming to this hotel for my birthday. It's the Residence Inn. I don't know where we are, but oh, I've never seen that sign that says guest registration parking. I park here and I spend a long time, which makes me want to go over to the other spot instead, because the fact that I saw it, now I'm like conscious of it, and I don't think it matters. I'm gonna go to the other side, even though it's in the sun. I don't know. I'm just like happy again. Hi. Also, every time I wear pants, I feel so skinny. I don't know if they're open. There's just nobody here. Okay. This one's like very much in our face. This is the best spot for me. I got my chai ice today, so we're trying it. Not being healthy today, and we're trying salad. Get there for it turned 5 o'clock, and everybody and their mama have come here. It's time to go. Raise 2 hands in the air. Everybody show me something. Show me something. 2 hands in the air. Yeah. Good morning. Guess what I found and charged my little mic. Someone in the comment was like, you need a lapel mic, and I'm like, I actually have one. Let me go charge that and see what I can do. So, buenos días. Es miércoles. I'm gonna do my makeup and my hair. Let me hook this up for you. Hold on. Okay, hopefully that is acceptable sound. But I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup. Should I do my makeup first or my hair first? I also want to make sure my hair looks good. Yeah, let's do my hair first. Just in case I don't look good, I have to figure that out. I'm trying things. So we're gonna take these down. Oh my gosh. It's already not looking too great. Yeah. So I just showered. I'm gonna take my hair down and then I'm gonna make sure it looks good. And then I'm gonna do my makeup, my skincare. My face is dry AF. So let's do that. Okay, so that's my hair. I hope you like it because I don't know how I feel about it. But we're gonna do my makeup. I woke up this morning. I don't feel amazing. So, but before we get into any kind of makeup, we need to do so dark. Okay, so these are drawing. Unacceptable. So, skincare routine. CeraVe toner. Alright, after that, then I put on, I use CeraVe, it's my base product. My cream. Those vlogs be like 2 hours long. CeraVe moisturizer. So, I'm gonna put on sunscreen. And then I'm gonna put on my makeup primer. And then I'm gonna start with my makeup. I'm trying to do my eyeshadow. Everything is like pissing me off right now. People call me, my phone's falling, and I'm like, okay, I need to chill. I'm trying to do a pink shadow, so let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm trying. Time for the best spots. Gosh, all of this one. These lips. These lips. Okay, this is the lip. I don't know how and why my room becomes a disaster every time I do my makeup. Like literally every single time. I'm trying to clean it up because my room is clean and I don't want it to be that way. I love the way that my lips came out. It's like smoky lips. I think my makeup came out okay. I think my hair came out okay. My edges don't want to behave. They want to do their own thing because they're unruly. But yeah, I think I look nice. I look better in person, I find. My lips looking a little strong on camera, but in person it looks nice. Yeah, I'm gonna get there on time. I'm realizing, hormones are gonna make me hate everyone, but it's okay, just breathe. Someone's calling me. I'm gonna turn my phone off. I don't wanna hear my calls. I drive. It's a long ass drive. I'm gonna listen to some music. Enjoy this sunny weather. My heart out in the car on the way here, but let's go. We're here at the Parx Casino. Oh, I'm still recording. Hello. I think that's over there. Over there. No jacket, no bag, because I don't want any load. There's a bunch of oldies. So many oldies. Going to the casino. Should I try if I show you ready? Where's that crazy? Here's my quick little TV. Yes. Okay, here we are. Very fun. Ooh, salad time. Wait, hold on. School on. Okay. I'm gonna be a little less obnoxious. Salmon table. This looks so pretty. With all the eating, this is what my lips turn into, and I also think that this is really cute too. Okay, award ceremony was nice. I just went on like a virtual appointment thing for our listing. That was nice. Spent some time talking with them. I think he just needed to chat with me, and that's what I'm here for on the planet, to make people's day brighter. So now I'm gonna go to the office. I have boxing later. I could go right now, but I'd probably reach like right on time. I don't have time to change all that. So I'm gonna go to the office to recenter and get ready. Guys, I came to Target to get one thing. I didn't even look through the like $5 section. This caught my eye. It's a glass cup. How not to get it? But I'm gonna see if they had makeup remover, because I didn't have it the last time. I did got it. I both got what I needed and the one cup. I did not have the micellar water, so maybe I have to remove my makeup. I was supposed to go to boxing. I'm beat. I can't. I'm not gonna force myself to do anything. So I'm literally gonna go home, take out my makeup, take a shower, eat some dinner, and go night-night. We have some Lion King Mufasa. Good night. Buenos días. Es jueves. Otra vez. I feel like last Thursday was like yesterday. This week has flown by. I don't think I was in my noggin the whole time, but I just woke up. Well, technically I woke up and I've been chatting with myself. Sometimes I just have these grand revelations and I need to sit there and process it. So I woke up, I can't remember what I dreamed about, but I had this super cool revelation about like my inner workings. And I sat there, laid there, and I talked to myself about it. And then when I checked my phone, I usually have an alarm for 6 o'clock. I always snooze it. I rarely ever get up. But I checked my phone, and it was 5 minutes to 6. So I picked up my phone. I was checking like my emails and checking like just what happened when I was sleeping. And even like the videos I filmed yesterday, just to make sure I had good sound, because I was trying to make and then my alarm started, so I turned it off, and then I was just watching more videos from yesterday, and then I started filming this. So good morning. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I woke up on my own, and I went to bed like 11 o'clock after I finished the Mufasa Lion King, which we'll talk about today, because that's crazy. That movie was crazy. I don't know. Like, yeah. But today I have an appointment at 10 o'clock. And then I have my nail appointments. I cut them. I've started doing this. I cut them down to where my nails grow to experience some shorties right before I get them done. So I'm gonna get those done after my 10 o'clock appointment. And then there's an open house from 12 to 2 today in the same area that my nail appointment is. And I thought it was tomorrow. And then on my Instagram I saw that it's actually today. So I put it on a replacement calendar. Depending on what time I finish my nails, we'll decide if I go to it there or not. It's 30 minutes away from my nail salon, but it may be finished, so we'll see. And then I have showings that are supposed to be later this evening, but those haven't been approved yet, so I'm waiting for that. And then of course I have my regular work to do, so I need to continue checking my emails throughout the day to know what I have to do. This is my hair from yesterday. I have some curls remaining. I was thinking to just let everything down today, but I can also do that tomorrow if I have some curls left for today. But I'm not ready to shower yet. I'm gonna go journal and process some more, but I wanted to say good morning. Buenos dias. How do you say good morning in French? I forgot. I know French because I did French in high school. I don't know everything. I'm more proficient in Spanish. Like, I'm almost fluent. I don't practice enough. So, like, I can say that whole thing I just said in Espanol. It just takes me a minute to process from English to Spanish. Spanish to English, cake. I do it automatically in my head. English to Spanish, I'm like, conjugate the verb, subject. My brain does math. So that's really hard. Pero sé hablar español. Muy bueno. That did not sound very convincing. But I do know how to speak Spanish. It's crazy. Yeah. I don't know how to say French. Good morning in French. Is it just bonjour? It's just bonjour? Bonjour. I feel like there's another way to say it. Miss Smith will not be happy with me right now. I need to relearn and practice my French. You know what I love that's French? Tous, jours. Speaking of that, I'm just letting you guys go right here, because I have so much yapping to do. But I won't yap to you. I'll just go yap to myself. Bye. Hello. So now we're in the car. It's rainy. Very rainy and cold. Not my favorite, we all know that, but me and this lip combo, we go together like that. I'm on my way to my first appointment. I just wanted to show you I am using my new cup. I mean, granted it's heavy, but I'm used to holding heavy cups. My fingerprints. I didn't think about that part, my little fingerprints. But oh my god, is this okay? My little glass cup. This is also glass too, the handles. It's like very slippery. I need to be so careful with this cup. So excited. Fun fact. Part of the reason I love cups and tumblers and bottles so much is because it makes the drinking of water so fun. This makes me so happy. It's also like, it's just like an joy inducer. Like, it literally makes me so happy. Like, I can be mad and I pick it up and I'm like, and it's purple. Alright, I need to focus on where I'm driving by. Finally made it to cafe, but I don't know if I have time at this point. It is 11:27. I got 10 minutes, so I think I'm just gonna get a latte and something to go because it's crazy. Guys, that is so complicated. I don't have enough time for them to make what I really want and be able to drive with it, and then I'm gonna go do my nails, so I won't be able to eat, and then after I have the open house thing. So depending on They literally make the best, absolute best in the whole world. I promise you. Good thing I didn't wait for him to move. He's gonna go. It's literally so good. Like, I'm gonna finish this in 2 seconds. I don't know what they put in theirs. It's literally the best. Nobody else tastes like this. I have to say it was worth it. Honestly, but I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm here playing us. Forgotten when my appointment actually is. Hi. We're here. Hi. Look how cute my natural nails are. Like, talk to me nice. I can't wait till they're all like this is a good length when they all get to this length. Huh?
I said your nails are literally almost as long as the tips itself.
That's good.
Am I cutting these or no? No? Okay.
Cousin?
No, I was just asking. I can't remember if you do it or not.
So these are my nails. I got these fun Easter colors. I'm gonna do my birthday nails and go crazy. So I'm like, I can have fun. I was contemplating just doing one color, be classy, but it's like, Happy Easter! Happy spring! They look like little Easter eggs. Okay, I'm gonna check out this open house really quickly. And I need to figure out what I do in my life. Look at my heels. Very fun. We're in Northern Liberties. The house we're going to is around the corner. So, there's that. It's a very rainy day, so I don't care. When it's rainy, I'm like, I don't care about my outfit. I don't care about the vibes and all that. So, very casual, very chill, very whatever. This is so cute. Look. Oh. I'm always making videos. Oh, you can walk out too? Oh wow.
Oh, I didn't even know.
That's cool. Oh, they like green, I see. Okay. I like it. Because I didn't take time to look at the picture, so I'm seeing everything for the first time. It's very nice. It's a very touristy looking house, honestly. Which I love that, to be honest. Let's go upstairs. Yeah, it really is. My Converses. That's very cool. Bathroom. This is a nice shower. I love this shower. Very cool. I love it. And it's spacious, like you do not feel congested at all. And the kitchen.
The same person who's buying like the brand new construction
Right.
with the, you know.
This really is really like you feel like
This is a home.
it's alive. Like it's so
At this point of the day, my brain is fried. like completely fried. And I have so much work to do that requires you to have functioning brain cells. I already took 2 bites of the sandwich already, and I still don't feel any better. I really want to go to sleep, and it's rainy, and I'm tired, and I don't feel awesome. I want to show you what I got as a take home video. Like, this is full on like lunch and dinner. That's crazy. Buenos tardes. Hoy es viernes y estoy. How do you say drive? Again, is drive conducir? I think. I can't remember anything anymore. My spring nails. So happy. So fun, right? It's carnival on my fingers. But I am driving. First, I'm gonna run some errands for my dad. And then I am going to the office to do my work that I haven't done. And then we have our meeting with the Minister of Real Estate at our office. So that's my broker's name. It's like personal personality. It's the Minister of Real Estate. Guys, this spring, freaking cherry blossoms is what I'm trying to say. Cherry blossoms are out. Happy girl. Leaving the house right now because of that meeting. I said that I was gonna be there, and I'm trying to be a very much team supporter in our office. So I have to show up. I have to push through. I look so bright and cherry. I think we're gonna use this in the thumbnail. It's me posing. It's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna I forgot to tell you that I'm here. That you're prepping for our meeting. I am doing so much work on my computer. Look how cute this looks together.
MLS, most of the time your clients are going to go with C2C, most of the time. Because if you sign a contract today, they're going to need some time to do preparation. Now before we had the coming soon.
Okay, and now we're gonna go. Meeting's finally over. I'm gonna go home. I have more work to do. Reports that I have to submit. My brain don't work. So I'm gonna drive home and hope my brain works when I get home. That was my week. This was a very interesting, very chill week in my life. Thank you for watching. Like the video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. See you next week. Okay, bye.